We're going to explain how to reset your Canon G3010 printer. There are a few ways to reset it, depending on what kind of reset you need. 1. The first is a simple power cycle. This is the easiest and often solves minor issues. Unplug the printer's power cord from the wall outlet. Wait for about 30 seconds to a minute. Plug the power cord back in and turn the printer on. This clears temporary memory and can resolve many small problems. 2. Next is resetting the ink absorber counter. This is necessary when the printer displays a waste ink absorber is almost full, or a similar message. Note, this is not the same as a full reset and only resets the ink absorber counter. You'll need to find and access the service mode using your printer's control panel. The exact key sequence can vary slightly depending on the printer's firmware version. You'll typically press a combination of buttons on the printer's control panel. Many online tutorials show the specific button sequences for your G3010's model. Once in service mode, you should see a menu to reset the waste ink absorber. Carefully follow any on-screen instructions to proceed. Be very careful when performing this process, as entering the wrong commands can cause additional complications. 3. A full factory reset restores the printer to its original settings. This is useful if you're having persistent problems or are giving the printer away. This can be done using the printer's settings menu on the LCD. Usually, there is an option to perform a reset under a maintenance or setup menu. Again, consult your printer's manual or online resources for the exact steps. The menu structure might be slightly different depending on the firmware version. 4. If none of these methods work, you may need to contact Canon support directly or seek help from a qualified technician. They may have more advanced troubleshooting steps to follow or may need to replace a part if there is a hardware failure. Remember to always consult your printer's manual for the most accurate and up-to-date instructions, as the button sequences and menu options may vary slightly based on your specific printer model and firmware version. There are numerous video tutorials online that can visually guide you through these steps if you prefer a visual guide. Just remember to always double-check your G3010's model number to ensure the video matches your model. Be cautious when performing the ink absorber counter reset, ensuring you are following accurate instructions to avoid damaging your printer. Always back up any important print settings before performing a full factory reset.